Lesson: Privacy Policy Development and Operationalization. Privacy policy development and operationalization are critical components in building a comprehensive privacy program, especially in today's data-driven world where privacy concerns are paramount. Organizations must not only craft robust privacy policies, but also operationalize them effectively to ensure compliance with laws and regulations, safeguard personal data, and build trust with stakeholders. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications to develop and operationalize privacy policies. A privacy policy serves as a formal statement that outlines how an organization collects, uses, manages, and safeguards personal data. Developing a privacy policy begins with understanding the legal and regulatory landscape. Regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union and the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States set high standards for data protection and privacy. Organizations must ensure their policies comply with these regulations to avoid penalties and enhance their reputation. A practical tool for developing a privacy policy is a privacy impact assessment. A PIA helps identify and mitigate privacy risks by evaluating how personal data is collected, used, and shared. Conducting a PIA involves mapping data flows and assessing the privacy implications of data processing activities. This tool not only aids in identifying potential risks, but also ensures the organization's practices align with its privacy policy. Once the legal requirements and risks have been identified, drafting the privacy policy involves several steps. First, the organization must define the scope by identifying the types of personal data it collects and the purposes for which the data is used. Clear, concise language is essential to ensure the policy is understandable to stakeholders. Including contact information for privacy-related inquiries and detailing the rights of data subjects, such as the right to access or delete their data, is also crucial. Operationalizing a privacy policy requires embedding privacy principles into the organization's culture and processes. This involves integrating privacy considerations into existing business operations and decision-making processes. One effective framework for operationalizing privacy is privacy by design, which advocates for proactive privacy measures at the initial stages of product or service development. By incorporating privacy into the design and architecture of IT systems and business practices, organizations can ensure compliance and protect personal data from the outset. Training and awareness are vital to ensuring that employees understand and adhere to the privacy policy. Regular training sessions and workshops can help staff recognize the importance of privacy and their role in maintaining it. Providing practical examples and case studies during training can enhance understanding and highlight the real-world impact of privacy breaches. For instance, the 2018 Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal underscored the importance of safeguarding user data and the consequences of failing to do so. Monitoring and auditing are crucial to assess the effectiveness of the privacy policy and its operationalization. Regular audits help identify gaps in compliance and areas for improvement. Implementing a robust monitoring system, such as a data protection management platform, can streamline this process by providing real-time insights into data processing activities and compliance status. Metrics such as the number of privacy incidents, response times to data subject requests, and employee compliance rates can provide valuable feedback on the policy's effectiveness. An essential component of operationalizing a privacy policy is incident response planning. Organizations must be prepared to address data breaches promptly and effectively to minimize damage and maintain trust. Developing a comprehensive incident response plan involves defining roles and responsibilities, establishing communication protocols, and conducting regular drills to ensure preparedness. The 2017 Equifax data breach serves as a cautionary tale, illustrating the importance of a swift and coordinated response to mitigate the impact of a breach. Engaging with stakeholders, including customers, employees, and regulators, is vital to ensure the privacy policy remains relevant and effective. Regular feedback from stakeholders can provide insights into their concerns and expectations, enabling the organization to adjust its privacy practices accordingly. Transparency and communication are key to building trust and demonstrating a commitment to privacy. Technology plays a significant role in privacy policy development and operationalization. Tools such as data encryption, anonymization, and pseudonymization can enhance data security and privacy. Encryption ensures that data is unreadable to unauthorized users, while anonymization and pseudonymization reduce the risk of re-identifying individuals from datasets. Implementing these technologies can significantly bolster an organization's privacy posture. Finally, continuous improvement is crucial to maintaining an effective privacy policy. The privacy landscape is dynamic, with new threats, technologies, and regulations constantly emerging. Organizations must remain vigilant and adapt their privacy policies and practices to address these changes. Conducting regular reviews and updates to the policy and its operationalization strategies ensures the organization remains compliant and responsive to evolving privacy challenges. In conclusion, privacy policy development and operationalization are integral to building a comprehensive privacy program. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks, such as privacy impact assessments and privacy by design, organizations can develop robust privacy policies and embed privacy into their culture and operations. Training, monitoring, incident response planning, stakeholder engagement, and technology play crucial roles in operationalizing the policy and ensuring its effectiveness. Continuous improvement and adaptation to the evolving privacy landscape are essential to maintaining compliance and protecting personal data. Through these strategies, organizations can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in privacy policy development and operationalization.